In this video I am showing you how to see most recent posts on Facebook app. Now that's I'm going to show you guys. So let's get started right away. So firstly what you need to do is you have to open your Facebook app and scroll down like this, scroll down and then scroll up. So when you scroll up then you can see the this recent home favorites and recents open in the top of this page. Click on the recent and then you can see the recent posts. So you can see all these recent posts, and second way to do this is you can click on this short icon, and then from this you can click on the recents, and then you can go to the recents. And the third way to do this is you have to simply click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner, and then scroll down, and then you have to you can click on the see more button, and then scroll down, and here you can see the recents and favorites. Click on this and then you can see all the recents and favorites. So that's it, that how you can see the most recent posts. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get notifications of such new informative video. And also don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Have a good day.